In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Canva design as PDF. If you've already finished working on your design in Canva and you want to export it in a format that's easy to share, print, or send professionally, saving it as a PDF is a great option. Canva makes this process very simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click and what to look for. Start by opening your design in Canva. Make sure you're on the project you want to export, whether it's a presentation, flyer, resume, worksheet, or any other type of layout. It's always a good idea to quickly review your design before downloading, just to confirm that everything looks the way you want. Once your design is open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Share. This is where Canva keeps several options for sending, publishing, and exporting your work. After you click it, a drop-down menu or panel will appear with more choices. From that menu, select Download. This opens the export settings where you can choose the format you want to save your design in. If you've downloaded from Canva before, this area may look familiar, but if not, don't worry. It's very straightforward. Next, click the File Type drop-down field. This lets you switch between different export formats such as PNG, JPG, or PDF. From the list, find and select PDF. Depending on your Canva account and the type of design you're working with, you may see more than one PDF option. If available, choose between a digital PDF and a print PDF. A digital PDF is usually best if you plan to email the file, upload it online, or keep the file size smaller. A print PDF is generally better if you want higher quality for physical printing. At this stage, you can also choose which pages to save if your design has multiple pages and you don't want to download all of them. Just select the pages you need. When everything looks right, click Download. Canva will begin preparing your file, and after a moment, the PDF will save to your device. Depending on your browser settings, it may go straight to your Downloads folder or ask you where you want to save it. And that's it. That's how to save a Canva design as a PDF. It's a quick process, and once you know where the download settings are, you can export your designs in just a few clicks.